Good morning, children. You have done your ABC part of chapter 11. Today we will be discussing about D part of chapter 11. Answer the following questions in brief. Children, one thing also I want to tell you that in your ABC part, in correct option, this who calculated the circumference of the earth, the answer will be Greeks. Okay. Answer will be Greeks. So please do this. Okay, children. So let's come to the D part. First question. What were the main inventions of Greek civilization? In your A part also there was actually Aryans also calculated, but here in your book it is given in invention part that Greeks had calculated the circumference of earth. This was also calculated by Aryans, but in your book that the same line of your question is given. That's why you please opt for Greek. Okay, please do that. So let's come to page number 95 where the answer is given. What were the main inventions of Greek civilization? You will write that it calculated the circumference of the earth and also draw maps of the world, and third point you will write Olympic Games. So you will write in points. First point in page number 95. First point you will write calculated the circumference of the earth. Second point you will write draw the maps of the world, and third point you will write Olympic Games, because Olympic Games was first started in Greece. So this is your D1 question. Now the next question is, name the gods that were worshipped by Romans. Name the gods that was worshipped by Romans. So please come to page number 95, children. In the religion category, when you were making this table chart, I had given you this as homework. There you had done this religion part, that which gods were worshipped. You have to mention all the gods of Roman civilization. So that is your first god is Vesta. Just write only the names of the gods. Vesta, put comma and write Venus, and then Jupiter, Mars, Mercury and Juno. Okay, only write the names of the gods. Next question is, name the 4 Vedas. Just come to this page. Name the 4 Vedas. You will get this in page number 95 only. But here I have written the answer. If it is visible to you, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can go to page number 95. I am showing you that page number 95. You can write the answer from there also. Otherwise, you can write in front of the question I have written the answer. So you have to only write the 4 Vedas. That is Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved and Atharva Ved. Okay. You can write it from here, page number 95. Otherwise, you can write it from exercise also, where I have written the answer here in front of the question. Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved and Atharva Ved. Okay. Next, we proceed to the next question. Give any 2 examples to prove that Vedic civilization was quite advanced. Yes, there are lots of examples where we can prove that our Vedic civilization was quite advanced, quite progressed. But here it is asking you two examples. So, first example, we will write Vedic literature, because through literature we came across different texts. Through literature only we came across the contribution in the field of maths, science, how they had contributed in different fields. So, for that, one of the examples or one of the sources from where we can prove that Vedic civilization was quite advanced, that is Vedic literature. Next point is Vedic civilization also had the knowledge of zero. Yes, as I told you, there are lots of examples, but here you have to give only two examples. Knowledge of zero. And how this knowledge of zero helped them? To calculate the large numbers. Apart from that, other examples are also there. They use different types of musical instruments, flute, harp. Lots of examples are there, but you have to write or you have to mention only two examples. So, is it clear, children? Let me show you this. If it is not visible, then I can show you from the page of your book from where you can write this. First is your first point is Vedic literature. Vedic literature. Can you see this? This is page number 100. Page number 100. Vedic literature. So first point is that Vedic literature, that proves that Vedic civilization was quite advanced. Then you come to page number 99. Page number 99, where it gave the concept of zero, where they gave the concept of zero. This is page number 97. Page number 97, where the Vedic people gave the concept of zero, which helped them to calculate the large number. This is your second point, and the first point is found in your page number 98. Page number 98, not 100, 98. This is the new edition book, so there is little bit changes in the page number. So at present, whatever book you are having or whatever book is available to you, according to that the page number is 98. Okay, the next question, mention the main occupations of the people of Iranian civilization. Iranian civilization. So let's come to the table chart there. There we will get this. The answer is given in this table chart. Iranian civilization, that is 95 page, where the main occupations were trading, shipbuilding, weaving, silk weaving, pottery making, metal work, and gem cutting. This is the main occupation of Iranian civilization. Please don't, children, follow the answer which is written here. This is the occupation of Vedic civilization. So don't follow this. Just go to page number 95. Answer is in 95 page in the table chart, where you will get the answer. Okay. For answer number 5, you will get in page number 95. Okay. So These are your answers of D part. So I hope children you have understood. Let me describe it again. What are the main inventions of Greek civilization? You will get in page number 95. First point you will write circumference of the earth calculated. Second you will write drew the maps of the world. And third you will write Olympic Games because it was first started in Greece. Name the gods worshipped by Romans. You will again get in page number 95. You only write the mention the names of the gods: Vesta, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, and Juno. The third is name the four Vedas, which I have written here in front of the question also, and you can get the answer again in page number 95. Next is give any two examples to prove that Vedic civilization was quite advanced. For that, you will get the answer in page number 97 and 98. 97 and 98. And here also I have written the answers in points. First point is Vedic literature, and second you will write it gave the concept of knowledge of zero, which helped them to calculate large numbers. Okay. Now the last question is mention the main occupations of the people of Iranian civilization. You will get again this answer in page number 95. That is trading, shipbuilding, craft, silk weaving, pottery making, metal work, and gem cutting. So I hope children you all have got this answer. It is clear to you. So please follow the video and write these question answers in your notebook. So this is your homework to do D part. Do D part in your history notebook. In history notebook you will do this, okay, and submit your work in WhatsApp group. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask me in your WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you.